A good backpack isn't judged only on how it's made, but how it's used. No, your backpack probably won't have to beat up 3 mafia meatheads and haul away a load of their ill-gotten ransom cash, but it's nice to know it could. Introducing the Rally-Pac, the official backpack of mayhem and mischief. The 25-liter capacity is just right for carrying all the essentials needed for a weekend escape, which you'd likely never have to make on a speeding motorcycle. But ergonomic shoulder straps, a padded back, and an adjustable sternum strap would help you get out of Dodge in comfort, if you did. And just in case you were traveling the world under assumed identities, the Pack Animal Rally-Pac gives you lots of convenient exterior storage pockets for your unmarked bills and all your passports, or whatever you might want handy. Let's face it, you aren't following anyone at the moment, but if you were, you would enjoy the side zipper for quick top-to-bottom access to the main compartment, where you can also store your laptop in a padded sleeve, along with, birdwatching equipment. No, you don't roll with SWAT taking out bad guys like some real-life Batman. You'll just use the Rally-Pac for school or commuting to your day job, right? Well, the Rally-Pac is great for that too. With removable straps to tie down more gear, it's great for life on the go. It can even mount to your carry-on or your motorcycle. Available in 2 distinct colors. Order yours today. We wanted to make a backpack that could keep up with you. So this Pack Animal is built with weather-resistant 17-ounce wax canvas, double-stitched and riveted to take anything this world throws at you. Hopefully you never take a beating like this, but it's good to know your backpack could. When you pre-order on Kickstarter, you can steal this amazing bag at a fraction of the retail price. With your support, we can produce the Rally Backpack and design a full line of high-quality Pack Animal products for adventurous people like you. This isn't our first go-around. Pack Animal has a history of making quality bags that stand the test of time. You're gonna want this backpack, so back the Rally-Pac by Pack Animal today. A backpack is judged by how it's used. How will you rally?
We couldn't be more excited about the comeback of this brand and this bag. To all of you who've supported us in the past, thank you. And we hope you can continue to support us in the future.
Anyone who appreciates quality and design, if you want a backpack that is stylish and functional, we think this is for you. Back the Rally-Pac by Pack Animal and Tobacco today.